Well, Jason, it looked like it was a great day to be on the baseball diamond, but I know you were just telling me during Adam's story, tomorrow isn't looking too good.
What's the earliest tee time you can get on a Sunday?
Oh, I think you can get out there around 5:45, 6
Do
o'clock,
it.
if you know a guy.
Do it. You get out as soon as possible because the rain's coming tomorrow later in the morning and into the afternoon. So take a look at the fog, which has moved into Portland. Yeah. Can't even see the lights. That's how foggy it is. The fog bank has pulled in. Dense fog returns. Locally heavy rain tomorrow for a good chunk of the day and getting much more humid next week with more rain. We are stuck in a rainy pattern, aren't we? Now here's a look at the air quality today. Right now it's on the moderate side of things because we have that smoke, which is mostly moved up to the higher levels. Couldn't smell any going out for dinner tonight and ice cream. And how about the rain? Canada, Quebec, seeing rain and thunderstorms. Now, if the lightning doesn't make more in the way of fires, then this rain is all good. That's going to help in a big way the 60 or so fires that are still burning. How about the fog? I mean, look at this. Portsmouth, Sanford, all the way up a quarter mile now in Rockland, even in Augusta. Very dense fog here on the fog forecast. Look at just the ocean. Just essentially all of the moisture pushing in. Now, during the day on Sunday, we break up some of that fog, 11 o'clock, but that's when the rain's going to get here. So, I mean, pick your poison with that, and we are going to have low visibility because of the rain tomorrow, too. Temperatures, 60s across the board here, probably some 50s back towards Eastport, not pictured with the wind coming in out of the southeast. And dew points I checked, mid-60s just about everywhere. So we're about where we've been and where we're going to stay and go up. We're going to get around the 70s for dew points. Not a really something that most people want to hear. We're getting a tropical air mass situation coming up into the next several days. Clear for now as clouds are pushing in. Here's the front, warm front to our south. That is going to be the leading edge out ahead of it of the shower activity. So tomorrow morning, if you're getting up early, you're fine. 7 o'clock, there's Sam playing golf. You're okay, except up in Rangeley, the showers push in. But then here comes the first batch of rain by middle of the day. Portland, maybe you don't have to get up at 5:45, but it gets heavy at 5 o'clock. So I'd expect the earlier you can do things tomorrow, the better. This storm is getting juicier by the minute, and that means that the rainfall amounts are going to be higher, up around 2 inches for southern Maine all the way up the mid-coast and down east where an inch plus is coming. So the last thing you want to hear, I just have to tell it like it is. This storm is definitely going to have some rain with it. Seas at 3 to 4 feet, wind southeast. The next 3 days, the forecast, periods of rain tomorrow, especially afternoon, midday, and night. Rain and thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, some scattered thunderstorms. Trying to get the stuff in for the 4th and the fireworks if we can. Wednesday, more thunderstorms, hot and humid, a few showers inland, and then at the coast, we dry out by Wednesday. Trying to dry out by 4th of July time for the fireworks. That's the next hurdle. I can tell you, if the fireworks were tomorrow night, they would have a really hard time doing those. So the good news is that the heaviest rain is going to come tomorrow into Monday and not Tuesday, but not great for a extended holiday weekend. It just is what it is. We're stuck in the pattern.
That's right, and we'll just have to see what happens during those fireworks celebrations in the next few days.
Yeah, keep checking back in. We'll get that Tuesday forecast ironed out.
All right, Jason, thank you.